Good morning, Brevet Hills Elementary. I'm Melissa Kelly, your SCA president.
And I'm Owen Terry, your SA secretary, and this is the news for Monday, February 10th, 2020.
February is African American History Month, also known as Black History Month.
National African American History Month in February celebrates the contributions that African Americans have made to American history and the struggles for freedom and equality, and deepens our understanding of our nation's history.
Here's a short video about the history of this national observance.
The month of February is designated as Black History Month. In the United States, it is a time to honor the important role African Americans play in the story of our country. The idea began as a week-long celebration in 1926, organized by historian Carter G. Woodson and others. It coincides with the birthdays of Frederick Douglass, a brilliant orator who escaped slavery and spent the rest of his life working to stop it, and President Abraham Lincoln, who issued the Emancipation Proclamation during the Civil War, which led to the eventual end of slavery in the U.S. Others who fought to end slavery include famous women like Sojourner Truth and Harriet Tubman. Woodson's idea caught on, and soon schools and communities around the country began organizing celebrations, starting history clubs and hosting events to learn more about Black history and culture. The Civil Rights Movement in the 1960s sparked even greater interest in the many accomplishments of notable African Americans, who excelled in all areas of life despite obstacles and hardships, like scientist George Washington Carver, educator Mary McLeod Bethune, baseball great Jackie Robinson, entertainer Oprah Winfrey, and President Barack Obama. Black history is American history. Black History Month is a special time to focus on and learn more about Black culture and people of African descent who have made American life richer. How is Black History Month celebrated in your school or community?
Today's word of the day is determined. Determined means having made a firm decision and being resolved not to change it.
Many of the African American history makers in our country were very determined to achieve their goals regardless of the hurdles that they faced.
Today's day in history was all about safety first in Virginia.
Yes, today in 1863 at Fort Monroe near Elizabeth City, VA, Allison Crane invented the fire extinguisher.
Mrs. Arp will have the patent for this printed in the library if you want to see it.
Also on this day in 1996, a computer wins a chess match over the chess champion Garry Kasparov. This was a big milestone for artificial intelligence.
Mrs. Arp would like to give a big shout out to the PTO members that put on the best book fair that she has ever seen, specifically Mrs. Heidi Carey and Mrs. Gail Hill for organizing it all.
It is really fantastic how much our school loves to celebrate reading and how it is important to read every day.
That's it for today. Happy Monday to all.
This is Owen Terry
and Alyssa Kelly. Remember, be respectful,
be responsible,
be ready to learn.
It's the Husky way every day.
Have a great day.